tired of every single YouTuber talking about how the next big move, how we're all leaning bullish. We're all leaning bullish. We are all hoping that somewhere there is some group of Chinese that are going to pump the price of Bitcoin for us. Because whether you like it or not, that's the truth. When people ask me that they can only, if they can only get one, would they either get market Cipher indicator package or follow, I don't like calling my trade group a signal group, but just kind of my trade thoughts, my entries and exits and yada yada yada, the whale crew. They had to choose between market Cipher and whale crew. I say market Cipher, because market Cipher shows you what is going to happen before it happens pretty much every time. Pretty much. And this case was no different. Whether you were on the 1 minute and you had the yellow X blood tier, the 3 minute with the blood diamond, you see, myself and others, we are just human. We are not perfect. I am not perfect. I am not sitting here glued to this market Cipher chart non-stop. But you can be. Market Cipher gave the indications that this dump was going to happen before it happened. And the truth is it's been staring us in the face for quite some time on the larger time frames. I mean, this is a bearish divergence if I've ever seen one. With the momentum algorithm, the 6 hour, same thing. I mean, it's right there in front of you. It's right here in front of us. And now, everyone's triangles, just like every single one before. This one, busted, broken. This one, busted, broken. Now this one, busted, broken. Money flow, decreasing. Now coming into the red. But we have seen many a time with these clusters, which are bullish, that there is a dip first, and then it pumps. The shakeout, the Chinese Chong before it longs. And I'm not gonna, and also to the people in the comments that say, when everyone's doing something, I do the opposite. That's not true either, because many a time you'll get hit by a running train, a steam locomotive. There's a time and a place, but boy, every single YouTuber, besides the, I haven't watched them, but from what I hear, the Circle Boy, the Lord of the Rings, the Fibonacci Circle Boy that Sonny Decree shits on all the time. I wonder if Sonny's gonna make a video saying that boy was right. The boy was right. Now we can wish and hope all we want, but at the end of the day, Market Cipher has no emotions. It just spits out what it sees and what it knows, and it tells you before it happens. It tells you before it happens. And it's been telling us on the larger time frames for quite some time. which is why the past few days I have not been trading aggressively. The volume's been low. It's been weird. Patience. I have not been trading aggressively for the past, 2, 3, 4 days? There haven't been barely any quote-unquote signals in my group. I don't know about your guys's. The moves, when they do happen, they've been happening quick. It's been choppy. And unless you're getting in, getting out, I'll tell you, here's the learning lesson. If you have been, instead of waiting on the big move, if you've just been getting in and getting out, you would have made by now just as much, if not more, as if you hit the big move. If you've just been entering on the bottoms and exiting at the tops, or shorting at the tops and exiting at the bottoms, or both, I mean, you could have hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, plus the ones in here, 11, 7, 11, 9, even the $100 moves. Even the $100 moves. And there's ones that go on, I mean, numerous times. So, again, we say low leverage. If you are unsure if you're going to enter the trade, then, you know, make sure that your position size is adjusted according. But to those that are new to this channel, and to those who've been around that maybe don't have market Cipher yet, proof's in the pudding. And these indications, the yellow X and the blood diamond, you will find these nowhere else. No one has the code. Beware of scammers that say they have the market Cipher code and trying to resell it. Do not fall for the scams. Nobody has the blood diamond and the yellow X code. There are some who are trying to copy it with shit. It's very sad that they do not have the backbone to follow a righteous path, and they choose to scam and lie and be garbage people. Look, another blood diamond on the 1 minute. That's not good for the bulls. So, what's gonna happen next? Me. Well, I am only human. You are only human, but this beautiful creation that has been staring us in the face, showing us what is gonna happen, is staring us in the face. And it's showing us what's going to happen, whether you like it or not.